Welcome, this is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today 16 colors using the template again, but it's going to be a mix of colors. It's one of those like super random, but I'm going to go ahead and use this template anyways because I can. One of the things you might notice right off the bat is there are 3 guidelines here. So I've what I did was I kind of spaced myself away from the center here a little bit. I'm just going to grab this color and make myself this nice big old diamond. And this time the diamond is solid. And if you saw the last time I made a bracelet like this, which was sort of like from the candy stripe origin, you see that I made the inside going to the right. It would have been the colors in the right, which made it kind of hard to see that there was a little blocks going on there, and it really bothered me. It was like it was so subtle you could hardly notice it was there. So my thought was, I really don't need to match it exactly to the colors. I just need a gist of like where the things are going and whatever. So I've decided to use this template because this does represent 16 colors. If I need to, I can kind of figure out which one is which. But I suspect most part, I'm just kind of following the design, 5 then 3 5, like how does it begin? How do we set it up? So kind of excited. Yeah, I got myself so worked up over how the other one wasn't as noticeable and maybe not quite as interesting. And I thought, yeah, this would be kind of cool. And yeah, so this is doing exactly what I expected, where there's going to be one row at the very beginning that isn't doing anything. That's how our other one went. But yeah, I think this is going to be a lot more noticeable. At least that's my hope. Again, it's an experimentation in color and pattern, right? Because this kind of stuff really does show up super well when you have the striking contrast of a rainbow. But when the colors are just sort of thrown together in a sort of a mystery, random sort of thing, it might not show up as much. And that was the whole nature of the experiment. And in some ways I was kind of right, but it did show up kind of neat. And so now I kind of want to see just what happens when we try to do this thing. And yeah, this is the kind of thing that can literally have me lose sleep over. So, yeah. Oh. I'm like, something's not right here. I went too far out of the box. There we go. And now this one's here. So that's essentially what the pattern is supposed to do. Yeah, with any luck, this thing's going to turn out. I'm really excited about it. Obviously, I can't wait to get working on it. I'm going to get working on it like right after this video is over with. So let me just thank my YouTube members for making this possible. I need a lot of string to be able to pull this stuff off, and they have come through for me time and time again. So guys, thank you so much for all of your stuff. And yeah, I look forward to showing you this in tomorrow's video. So yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you. Oh, hit the like button and don't get your strings in a bunch.